Go.
Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, that which is held by me. So my distinction was conceived in the soul, sculptured through the senses, obtained through the people who self-described beauty. Profound beauty. And every little beauty. Touch beautifies the soul of flesh. Home beautifies the sound of speech. Aura beautifies the chemical balance between persons. So behold what beheld by me is essential beauty in my night. A beauty summed up by intellect, by vibe. Within the soul it lies, waiting to come out to the surface only it can. A beauty complexity and simplicity, beauty has no preference. Just an essence consumed by all. Beauty, although consumed by all, will only ever truly be seen by few, and fewer yet will ever see. One of the most beautiful sights is the state beauty held by you. It seems that beauty was forced to make an upgrade, so the beauty in he is now his bling, now his gear. But what I see is a beautiful brethren. Minus any material, I see a brethren of many shades and a different swagger. Gains my attraction, what is called the pill, and the cerebellum of his brain. So